So today I'll be demoing about my final year project, which is face recognition attendance system. And in this system, there are two users here. One is academic admin, and the other one is staff. So I will turn off my video feed first, because later on I'll be using the webcam for face recognition. So now I'm logging into admin account. So as you can see, this is the dashboard for academic admin, and on the top bar here, you can see that the total number of students, staff, course, and also subjects. There are 5 subjects here as shown in the graph, and this is the attendance for each subject. And in the in the pie chart here shows the number of staff versus the number of students. So now let's take a look at the functionalities that the admin have. So first of all is to edit personal profile, and over here I will try to edit a gender. So when I'm trying to edit something, it will say that if the update is successful, then my session will be terminated. So over here I will update the admin to female, update profile. So it will log me out, and I need to log in back. And we are now back to the dashboard, and now we'll try the second one, which is add staff. So we'll try some inputs here. This is the email for the admin, and if the email already exists in the database, then you will check and update here says that the email is already exists. So if I try and change it, then it will say that the email is available. And then we'll pick a picture, random ones, and test. So I will add stuff. So the stuff is successfully added, and now we go to manage stuff. So this is the stuff that we have just added in. So now we'll manage it by editing the stuff. So the information will stay here, and the password will not be shown. Now we'll try to change the name and update it. Then the update was successful. Now we'll go back to manage and see the name has become hello test. So now I'll be deleting the stuff. So the confirmation box will pop up and should ask me if I'm sure with my action. So I click OK. And the stuff is deleted with a confirmation email. Now we'll move on to take a look at add student. So we'll now fill in the form for adding a student. So So after adding a student, shows successfully added. Now we will go to manage student. So these are the students that we have here, and this is the students that we have just now added. Oh, I forgot to test another functionality, which is if the input is wrong, right? And if I remove the .com, then it is in a wrong format, then it should not be created. That stuff. And as we can see, please fulfill all the requirements, and these are the error message that shown saying that enter a valid email address. Now let's move on to add course. So now we'll add another course, like physics, and then it shows successfully added. Now we'll go and manage it. Oh, this is course, right? So I have written the wrong course, and then now I will change it to like SCSJ. So editing is successful. So now we'll go back and see SSB has been updated. Now delete it. Okay, so delete course is deleted successfully. And now we'll go to another one which is add subject. Now it's physics. Okay, and the staff that teaches this subject is random staff, and the course of this subject. And then after clicking the edit button, then it shows successfully added, and we can see it in the manage subject part here, physics. So over here, we can also edit it by changing different lecturers. So we will also update here, and then delete is also the same. And after that, we'll go to session, where session is the academic session of the course. So I pick May 14 until October 5. So I will take that session, then the session will be added. As you can see here, April 14 to October 5. And editing is also the same. 10 October of 13 of October. Okay, it is updated here also. Now we'll go to view attendance, and view attendance is we'll select the subject first and also the session for the subject. Now we'll fetch the attendance, and we can take a look that this is the drop-down list. Here is the classes that have been added for this subject at this session. So we'll pick a random one. So we can see that the student attendance here, which Jun Han is absent and the other two is present. So now we'll go to the staff account to see what they got. So in staff, we'll click sign in. And here it will show the dashboard of staff. So it is almost identical with the admin one, which is having the total students under this lecturer and the total attendance taken and the total subject that this lecturer teaches. So now viewing and editing the profile will also do the same thing, where it will log out after that. Now we'll take a look at taking attendance. So first of all, attendance is choose. This is the only subject that this lecturer teach. And the session here that just now we have just created. Oh, no data to display because the students, there are no students under this session. So, okay, we'll create another one. So if there's no data, there's also a message telling us that we need to pick one. Now fetch the students, and we'll now add the attendance of the today's date. After clicking the dates, it will open up a window where it shows faces. It's a bit laggy. That's what I can make out of it. And this is the my name. And the real means the liveness of the face, which is this face is actually real. And let's try it with some photos to see that if it actually works. This is me. So as we can see, there's a fake word over here. Okay, telling it that this is a photo and not a real face. Now I try it with videos. So as you can see, it is it also shows fakes in a video. So so after scanning the face, it also shows that the attendance has been taken. So I will click save attendance and we'll close the window and also saving the attendance. The attendance is saved. Now let's take a look at view and update attendance. So over here we'll pick like the one that we have set just now, 22, right? So we'll fetch students. So I'm the only one that present during the class that is present. So let's check another two, and we'll update it by clicking the save attendance. So it says the attendance has been updated. So now let's check it. 22. So as you can see, there are 3 students present here. And that's it for my demo. video. So thank